what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Koopa troopa from the Mario series, the Mario Brothers series, whatever you call it, series of games. Nintendo. It's going to be really easy. It's going to be step by step, and it's going to be for beginners and kids, okay? So if you're a beginner or you're a kid or both, good job. Good job. You're in the right spot. So let's get going. Pay attention, and let's start. So I'm gonna be using this marker right here. This is a Crayola Magic marker. This is like anywhere you can get it. But I'll probably put a link in the description somewhere where you can buy it online if you need to. I'm gonna throw a little hook shape for the top part of the nose. Hold back. Like that's the cheek. Top of the eye. The far side eye. Top of the other side eye. Nostril. Pupil and iris. Pupil and iris. You can leave a little. You can either fill it in or leave it a dot there for the highlight. Back of the head. Underneath the jaw there. Far side of the cheek. Kind of rolls into the bottom of the head. Pulling down into the neck. Line right here where the shell. We're gonna start the shell now. I'm gonna draw the hand because it's so close to us. So I'm gonna draw the arm. Pull down, just like a tube. And remember, when you're following along, or if you're watching and just internalizing this, it doesn't have to be exact. It has to be just in the ballpark, you know. Pull right here, thumb for the thumb of the fist. Pull down a straight line. And then that's the little hand there, little Muppet type hand. Straight line for the rim of the shell. The other side of the rim of the shell. The front of the stomach here, which is the underside of the shell. Back of the shell. Straight line. Kind of turtle shell shapes, and this doesn't have to be exact. Think of like octagons and hexagons, and just do your best. Kind of stuck together. You gotta pull some lines across the stomach area, because that's the underside of the shell. Fist on the far side. He has these weird shoes on, so I'm gonna put those on him. They're not weird. They're basically the same shoes as Mario. Kind of look like loaves of bread, really. With a little extra layer, it's just that added shape on the bottom. Repeated kind of sole of the foot. And then don't forget the tail, like a turtle. That's pretty much it. That's a Koopa troopa, and I am going to kind of thicken the lines in some areas. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed that. If you found it like, you know, a little bit fast, rewind it, go back to the part and then copy it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you did enjoy that, press the like button so I'll know what to add onto this channel, maybe more of these characters. If you comment, I will reply to every single comment, so please do that. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all the love that you've been giving me. And don't forget, there's a free how to draw cute ebook I'm going to be putting in the description below, so check that out as well. It is a 10-page ebook on drawing cute stuff, so it will help you out. It's free for the moment, so get it while it is. And that's all. So I'll leave the link in the description. Talk to you later.